your girl Radiance here today. Today we're gonna do a little bit of a crazy video because a lot of you picked this video, and I'm gonna put the poll right here. Well, it's not a poll, it's like which one you guys want more. So I'm gonna put it right here, which one you guys chose, and you guys chose my friends picked my eyeshadow color, and we'll do it while drinking. So if you're underage, you can click off this video. There's a lot of other videos for you guys to be watching, but you know, we're gonna drink some wine. I do have some different types of liquor. I have Amsterdam, I have 3 of them, and I have this other one right here. So we're gonna drink while doing this eyeshadow and slash review. So this is not gonna be a very good review, but we're gonna do the mini conspiracy palette right here. I told you guys I was gonna do a review on it. I had this for like a whole month, but I wasn't like into makeup, like I was so lazy. But this is the conspiracy palette with Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson. I freaking love the cover. The colors look like this. They're really beautiful and pigmented. I did like test them out on my fingers, but I don't know what happened here. Oh, I think I just put it too much. But I got my friends to pick the color range, and they're like 7 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 colors. So I told them to pick a number from 1 through 9, and 4 of my friends picked the numbers. And usually I don't tell them the names or show them the color palette, so I just told them, hey, pick a number from 1 to 9. My friend Arlene picked 5, which is Diet Root Beer, literally this one right here, the one in the middle. And my friend Dalia picked number 3, which is my boyfriend's purse. Carla, my best friend, picked number 7, which is Exposed. And my friend Andrea picked number 6, which is My Apology. So we're gonna make a look with that, and we're gonna do our drinking. You know, we're gonna drink this and we're gonna pour it in a cup. I got my little freaking cup, my Virgo cup. If you didn't know, I'm a Virgo. I got this cup from Dolls Kill, and I only found out about Dolls Kill from Nikki, the twin, Nikki and Gabby. I'm more of a Nikki fan with all the changes in like black, because I love black. So we're gonna drink. Oh, this is fucking dry. But let's go with the video. Oh, by the way, I have been drinking a little bit, so it's a little bit, you know, drunk. Not drunk, but like a little bit tipsy, like I see different colors type of shit. But yeah, let's see what we're gonna do with these colors, which is the Boyfriend's Purse, Diet Root Beer, My Apology, and Exposed. Don't know what I'm gonna do, but let's figure it out. I'm gonna grab one of these, and I'm gonna use the same freaking mirror from here. And I did prime my eyelids. Always prime your freaking eyelids, but I think I'm gonna prime them a little more because I'm like all over the place. I'm just gonna prime a little bit more. We're just gonna do a look. We're not gonna put no foundation because I don't got time for it, and I don't want to take makeup off like this again, and makeup is expensive. So we're just going to, you know, prime a little bit more of the eyelids because your girl wants to make sure it comes correctly. I'm gonna do this. And ooh, and I think I should update you guys on my eyebrow routine because I did one last year, and this year it completely just changed. Literally just changed. So that will be coming out soon. It's so freaking dry. I hate dry wine. Comment below what kind of wine you like if you're of the age, okay? So I don't know what to do because it's like purple color, dark burgundy brown color, and then like I don't know. I feel like the brown color I'm gonna do on the bottom part, and I think I'm gonna mix, let's see how it looks if I mix the red with the purple. If it looks okay, then we'll do it, but I'm gonna mix Expose with My Apology, and let's see how it looks, because we need to get this look. And then, oh wait, that's a cute color. That's a really cute color. Okay, we're gonna do this. We're gonna put this in the eyes. In the eyes like this. Ooh. Okay. To be honest, it looks like my red wine. And we're gonna keep drinking. I hate wine. I really, to be honest with you, I really hate wine. And that's basically what we had here. So, why fucking not? And we're gonna put this up here. Okay, so this is the color that I came out with when I mixed the My Apology and Exposed, and I just want to make it a little bit more intense. So we're gonna choose the other color, which is My Boyfriend's Purse, and we're gonna choose like a small flat brush, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna wet this brush, even though I don't think you need to wet it because they're so pigmented, like really pigmented. So we're gonna grab My Boyfriend's Purse, and we're gonna do this, put it in the lid so we can, you know. Okay. Ooh, do you guys see that? Ooh. Okay, Shane did that with Jeffrey. And then we're gonna go back to the brush. And then we're gonna just, you know, mix it together. Okay. I'm kind of liking this. So what we're gonna do now is I'm just gonna conceal the bottom part. We're only doing one eye, my guys, because, well, to be honest, I'm really lazy right now. I'm freaking tired. Like, your girl has been doing a lot. Like, just if I post late or if I don't post at all, just know I'm still working, because I have tons of projects I'm working on, and it's like very freaking crazy. And what are we gonna, okay, so I'm gonna use this brush right here, and with this brush, this is the Morphe R35 brush, and we're gonna use Root Beer. So Root Beer, I believe, is like a neutral color. So what I want to do is put it under here, do the residue, and do like a grungy look under here. Okay, it looks. And then what we're gonna do is I want to grab like a brush, a clean brush. This clean brush is okay, and we're gonna do this. Okay. Ooh, Okay, I kind of am liking it. I think what I'm gonna do is conceal that area in the bottom because it looks a little bit brown in the bottom. But you know, like right here, we're gonna do that. Conceal this area so it could look decent enough. Yo, the difference it does like with makeup, like really. So we're gonna do this, and for the inner corners we're literally just gonna go with our highlighter, and I believe I'm gonna get the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amarazia highlighter. We're gonna grab our fingers for this one because it's only one part, and then dab it in the inner corner to make it bright like a diamond. And you know, I don't know if I should do my brows just for this side. I think I am gonna do my brows, so I'll be right back. So we, you know, did this eye right here. I kind of do like it. I like the challenge because I never did like a purple mixed with a burgundy red, and it made a nice color and it's different. Yeah, we're only gonna do that side because one, your girl's lazy. Two, I'm more into skin stuff, skincare right now than do actual makeup. I do still love makeup. Makeup is art to me. Makeup will ever always be part of me. But right now I'm into like skin, protecting my skin, having my skin a little bit more healthy than it used to be, and it's almost there. So yeah, but you know, a girl likes her little makeup looking all cute and shit. Like, if you really didn't see, you look at the difference. Do you see the difference? Like it really makes a whole fucking difference. But yeah, these are the colors my friends picked out, and this is a look I came up with, and I freaking love it. Like, it's very different. But yeah, this is the makeup palette that Shane Dawson came out with, and I do love it. It is very pigmented, but you know, it's Jeffree Star. Jeffree Star always brings out the best products I've seen so far, and I love it. I approve of it. He is coming out with another one, but has the green, and he's coming out with more of the palette. So we're gonna wait for that, and we're gonna finish it. It's so dry. Shit is so fucking dry. What is this, to be honest? Oh, this is a BareMinerals. Okay, these are fucking dry as hell. I don't like it, but I still drink it. My god. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of me drinking my life away and doing this eyeshadow look, mini lazy look. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. And don't forget, every Tuesdays and Saturdays will be a brand new video. And if I do miss a video on one day, that means that either I'm tired, sick, or I'm still working on other projects because it's driving me crazy. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Deuces.